Okay, Noreen Shazad on Facebook. I want to apply for a pardon for my husband for his drug trafficking felony in Pennsylvania. Can expungement help me to bring him back since it was cannabis?
No, expungement doesn't help anything. You got to vacate the conviction. Expungement means that you were convicted and now they're going to write off this conviction. But there was a period of time that a conviction stood for you. And therefore, if you were convicted at any time of any drugs or cannabis, can't return to the United States ever unless it's 30 grams or less one-time possession of marijuana. If you vacate a conviction, vacating a conviction means the conviction was illegal from the beginning. If the conviction was illegal from the beginning, then everything that happened after is also illegal, and that's why vacating is successful to get people to return. Expungement is not. Now, person's talking about cannabis. There's a very good chance that over Joe Biden's term, cannabis, marijuana becomes legal. Now, because it is legal, it's off of the list of drugs that prevents you from getting a green card or prevents you from entering America. Now we're talking a different story.
Mamet Christian on Facebook. If you applied for a removal condition and got a receipt notice from USCIS in October of 2020, how long does it take to receive your 10-year green card through marriage?
Say it again.
If you applied for removal condition and got a receipt notice from USCIS in October of 2020, how long does it take to receive your 10-year green card through marriage?
At least 18 months.
Okay, Don Harriet wants to know what's next after the impeachment, Brad?
It goes to the U.S. Senate. It'll go in about a week. The Senate has to have a trial. Remember last time the trial was all Republicans voted no impeachment?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All Democrats voted in favor, and Trump won 52-48.
Well,
you need 66
numbers are
votes,
looking
but
different.
there's a lot of Republican senators who may vote to guilty as charged.
Zain Tahat on Facebook. I lost my green card and I paid the fee for I-90 for the replacement in December of 2020. In the meantime, USCIS has scheduled my naturalization appointment for next month. In the letter, it indicates that I have to bring my green card. Is it going to be a problem if I go into my interview without my green card?
No, just bring proof that you filed to replace it. Just bring the receipt notice. It is what it is, and bring your passport so you have photo ID.
Fahad Siddiqui on YouTube. Why is USCIS issuing more decisions that cannot be made on N-400 applications? A lot of people without arrest are waiting for the decision on the N-400.
You have a president who's a racist who doesn't want people to become citizens, because the people who are going to become citizens are not going to vote for his party. So they purposely delay.
Peter Mimba on YouTube. How long should I take to remarry after divorce? I am 10 years older than my wife, and the officer said that he doesn't believe us and is still reviewing my case. What are the chances of me getting my green card? P.S. My marriage is real.
Get married the next day. 10 years is not a big deal. I haven't been married to anybody 10 years younger than me, but I've dated somebody 10 years younger than me, and it was real.
Okay, Shola on YouTube. I got my advanced parole EAD card through the EB2 NIW. Can I run a YouTube monetize it channel in the US that is not related to my work while my I-485 is pending or after my green card?
Absolutely.
AJ on YouTube. Is it okay to make travel plans for March from March through April when I-751 was filed in December of 2020 and extension has not been received, or should I wait for an extension first?
Make your plans. Worst comes to worst, you could always go down to the local office and get a stamp in your passport.
Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.